Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photos in a second with Capcut application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Capcut application. Are you wondering why do I edit the picture with the Capcut? Because Capcut also able to edit your picture, everyone. So you just need to open it, and after that you just need to go on this top line here. There will be like photo editor, so you just need to click them. Now pick the picture that containing the emoji on your photo or library, and after that you just need to go click edit. So to like remove emoji from the photo in a second only with CapCut, you need to use this feature. Take a look on this button features. You will see like in the third options there will be a shapes, so you just need to go click it. And now we just need to choose the shapes that probably can cover the emoji, which is for today I will like to use this circles. And don't forget to styling, and go click this color picker and just pick the color. Okay, my bad. Go click this color picker, and after that you just need to drag the point into the closest area with the emoji, and you can just adjusting the size and drag it until like it covering the emoji. So let's go adjusting the size and drag it until it's covered the emoji. Almost. Make it as smooth as you can, and if you need to change the color, you just need to go click the color picker again until it's perfectly covered or have the same color with the area that on the background. And after you're done, you just need to go click checklist button and you're done. The emoji is already removed, and that's the way how to remove emoji from a picture with only CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.